Welcome to the wonderful and slightly smelly world of neem oil, nature's own Swiss Army knife. If Swiss Army knives could treat athlete's foot and repel mosquitoes, it would be neem oil. This magical oil comes from the neem tree, also known as Azadirachta indica, native to India, but now thriving in tropical climates worldwide. Think of it as the overachiever in the plant kingdom. For centuries, people in India have had neem oil in their medicine cabinets, right next to Grandma's mysterious homemade remedies that fix everything from a cold to a broken heart. Neem is kind of like that, only with scientific backing. So what can neem oil actually do? Well, sit tight, because it's got more talents than a reality show finalist. Let's start with fungus, the kind between your toes, under your nails, or anywhere else it dares to exist. Studies show neem oil has strong antifungal properties. Athlete's foot, toenail fungus, ringworm, they all tremble at the sight of this oil. The secret weapon here is a compound called nimbidol, which does to fungus what Bane does to Batman. Crippling and unforgettable. Nimbidol works by messing with the cell walls of fungus, making them leak and die. It's like a microscopic water balloon. Plus, neem oil is anti-inflammatory, which helps with the itchiness and redness that comes with any fungal infection. So how do you use it? Well, here's one simple way. Mix 2 to 3 drops of neem oil with an equal amount of oregano essential oil, which is packed with thymol, another fungal destroyer. Now rub a small amount on the infected area 3 times a day. Like a ninja, it silently fights the fungi, but without the swords. Or here's another option. Soak a cotton pad in some neem oil and press it on the affected spot. Same deal, 3 times a day until those pesky fungi wave the white flag. But wait, there's more. Neem oil isn't just for fighting toe trolls. It's also a skincare superstar. Acne, redness, dryness, even dandruff. Neem oil can help. In India, it's been used for ages to treat skin problems. And modern science is starting to figure out why. Neem oil is made of special compounds that are great at calming down angry skin cells. That means less inflammation, less itchiness, and for problem skin, a whole lot of relief. As for dandruff, well, it turns out that fungus hates neem oil almost as much as your stylist hates your bad hair decisions. And here's a bonus you didn't expect. Neem oil is also a mosquito repellent. Yes, it keeps those pesky biters away. Mix it with almond oil and apply it to your skin. Mosquitoes will ghost you. Personally, I love mixing a few drops of this stuff into my nightly moisturizer. My skin feels great, and I do not have to worry about mosquitoes turning me into a human mosquito. Win-win. Also, I should mention neem oil is excellent for your oral health. It has antibacterial properties that can help with bad breath, tooth decay, and gum disease. You can even use it as a natural toothpaste. Oh, and don't forget about neem's benefits for your hair and nails. It's like the oil that does it all, except for making dinner reservations. But honestly, who needs that when you've got neem? So there you have it, neem oil, the jack of all trades you never knew you needed until now. If you learned something new, or just enjoy watching fungus lose, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. And of course, ring that notification bell so you never miss another natural remedy tip. Because health is wealth, and a few drops of neem oil might just be your next millionaire move. Oh, and here's your joke for the day. Why did the fungus leave the party early? Because neem oil showed up and killed the vibe.